I'm from the Philippines.
I'm from Phoenix.
Together,
We're
we'll Fields
Phils
to
to Phoenix.
Phoenix.
Two countries.
One heart. And welcome to another episode of our
Weekly
Chica Chica.
That we're sorry about missing last week. That I dropped the ball on that one. That we kind of got a little bit busy and just they got forgotten about.
Yeah. But hey, that's life. But
The-
we're sorry. We try to have a consistency on this, but sometimes
We're
it's-
still figuring that out.
yeah.
That we're still trying to get used to doing this and posting 3 times a week. Believe it or not, is a lot harder than it sounds.
True. Especially like me personally, I don't. If you want to tell me, hey, let's do this, but me doing everything and set up, no, I cannot do it because like with my class, with my work, 8 to 5 job plus work plus. I honestly say sometimes, and most of the time, I didn't do the work of the volunteer like the childcares, and I still have a lot of things to do in that. I'm just sometimes my body and mind doesn't coordinate together, and like I'm lazy, and and I want to rest and just go to sleep. But anyway, so
We are getting better about it, and even posting consistently once a week is a bit of a challenge. 3 times a week is definitely a challenge.
true.
But we're going to get it figured out, and we'll probably get it figured out by the time we go to the Philippines and have to make a change anyhow. So
Yeah, I feel like here in the U.S., it's like the time just flies so quickly, and I feel like you're always running out of time. I don't know why, but
we do like to stress ourselves out.
I don't know. But in the Philippines, I feel like I have so much time. I could still sleep in the bus or jeepney, so I still have so much time. So yeah. Anyways, we'll give you a recap for the last 2 weeks. So what did we do? Did you remember? My memory is short like me. So
uh, last week, 2 weeks, however you want to say it, during the week of the 12th,
yeah.
we managed to get our Balikbayan boxes packed and sent. And we sent one on Tuesday and one on Thursday.
Yeah.
And we sent all 50 backpacks. We sent
Some clothes.
a bunch
shoes.
of clothes, some shoes,
Yeah.
some school supplies, anything that we had. And we pretty well filled up 2 Balikbayan boxes to send back.
Yeah.
Which that was kind of cool. A little expensive. $120 to send it to, not Mindanao, the
Cebu.
Cebu area.
It's okay.
Visayas region.
It's always okay to give. Sometimes
Oh, yeah.
sometimes it hurt when you give, but it's also rewarding. you
Yes,
know.
it is. And it's way cool. And we had a bunch of stuff donated to us through that, for that.
Yes. Yes.
That I also found out my nephew Ben was going to be in town for a few weeks. That when my brother Dick showed up, that we knew he was coming out, but we understood he was just coming out for the weekend to see his parents. And he had a life change and wound up staying almost 2 weeks now.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Because that Saturday,
We
we made
went-
arrangements and we went to the Good Guys Car Show.
Yes, it was awesome experience seeing the different and old cars. I will say like saucy cars.
Good Guys Auto Club, Car Club, puts on a big show out here twice a year. In the spring they have the Spring Nationals, and then in the fall they have the winter finals, fall finals.
Yeah, we'll put pictures of that. It was awesome experience, and it was seeing different kinds of cars. And it's, I will say, in my perspective, I only see jeepneys, buses, and that. But here, it's like, oh wow! I will just say wow, cause like, okay.
Yeah, you guys really don't do a whole lot of historic classic cars, do you?
No, we don't really preserve cars. We preserve jeepneys. And the Tartanillas, we'll show you pictures of that, like a horse that you saw the. You know what I mean.
The horse and carriage.
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
okay,
so
yeah, I've seen those.
We preserve those. So
Those are actually pretty cool.
yeah. So
But yeah, your cars, if it can run, it's not a collector's item, it's a daily driver.
it's the people. It's not a thing. It's the relationship with the people. It's not the relationship to them. But anyways, it was
But,
really cool. It's like I got a sunburn. I got a sunburn here in my on my
Well,
neck.
you really didn't get a sunburn, but you did tan pretty good.
Yeah, I was like, it will wait another 2 months or 3 months. I don't know.
When we go back, I know you're gonna get it way more suntan.
Yeah, and we have a really good time spending with your nephew Ben.
We had a lot of fun. He really enjoyed the show. It's not right up his alley, but it's something he kind of likes and enjoys. That he had a '70s Ford pickup for a while,
Yeah.
and realized it's just a bit of a money pit doing those type of things. They're kind of cool, but they're way expensive, and they're definitely more toys than practicality.
Yeah.
And so he wound up getting rid of that, but he still likes and appreciates them for what they are.
True.
That week, I also found out from Social Security Disability that they are sending me to another psych evaluation and another physical evaluation. That they're coming up. Matter of fact, tomorrow is the psych eval,
Oh yeah.
and then next week is the physical evaluation.
Yeah.
And I managed to contact the caseworker in charge, or whatever they call them. And she kind of led me to believe that hopefully just before we leave, they may actually have a determination on whether or not it's approved or denied. And that'll be a huge relief for me. That it'll kind of give me an idea which way I need to jump after that. But at that point, just your prayers that they see what they need to and miss what they don't, and that it gets approved with as smooth a sailing as possible.
Yeah.
But either way, it prevents me from any hope of staying. That because when we going with her, that I'll get a Balik Bayan stamp.
Yeah, which is 1 year.
Yeah, it's a 1-year no-cost visa to stay in the Philippines.
Yeah, that's true.
The drawback is if I leave and re-enter, I re-enter as a
30 days.
or a 30-day visitor visa.
So you need to come with me every time.
So I need to drag you along every time we go. Which, that could be kind of expensive, buying you 2 round-trip tickets to my one, so
Yeah, we'll see.
we'll need to figure that one out a little bit better.
We'll work it out in the future.
And that led up to this last Monday. And
Yeah.
this last Monday was a really cool event.
Yeah.
I retired.
Finally. So.
I am now officially an old broken person.
So how do you feel in that, being a retiree? Or, like, I'm not sure if it's a comfortable.
In a way, it kind of brought a lot more comfort to it, because it's not a long-term disability situation that I know is going to be going away. That the disability retirement is a permanent thing. That's not going to change. It's not going to go away, so I haven't got to worry about that at all, which is a huge blessing.
Oh yeah.
It's not quite as much money as I was making on long-term, but the benefit there is that because I started out with long-term, they're going to pick up the couple $100 less a month for the next 18 months or so, 20 months, something like that.
18 months.
24 months, 18 months. I don't know.
18 months.
30 months from last April is when the long-term disability goes away altogether.
Yeah.
So, and what that does is allow you time to transition into the city retirement and go through this Social Security disability process. And it gives you some income, some means
Yeah.
of staying afloat until then. But right now, with the retirement income I'm going to be getting and the state disability pay that I've been getting, we could potentially move to the Philippines right now and still have enough money to live relatively comfortable.
Yeah, for
So
Filipino
Social Security
economy.
disability would just be icing on the cake on that one, and allow us to do a lot more ministry type work, which we like to do.
Yep.
And it would definitely free you up to where if you wanted to work, you could, but didn't have to work.
Yeah. I got retired too, so. Yeah, so, yeah,
The biggest change on that one is going to be my health insurance, dental insurance. I can continue it, but it's going to be way expensive. I've got to pick up both what I normally did and what they did.
yeah, so I'm looking and seeing my company's insurance. I'm sending an email, so hopefully I will know this week for the change or the update, so figure it out.
Yeah, because we tried to send in what paperwork I got, and that they said that wasn't clear enough, and
Yeah,
so I sent a letter back to our long-term disability person, which is HR, and they deal with these benefits all the time.
yeah,
And so she sent back a physical printed letter on city letterhead that we could forward to them.
yeah, to make
That
it
was extremely clear and concise. Your health insurance is doing some major changes,
Yeah,
and we need to figure this. Which option you want, and I think she said the 9th of April or something like that.
it's the 6th.
The 6th.
Yeah, so
Wow.
yeah, it would be.
Yeah, it gives us 2 weeks. We gotta.
Yeah, so hopefully, yeah, but yeah, as
Okay.
long as I have those documents. But anyway, so.
You can tell who's handling a lot of that.
So anyway, so this weekend we met again with your nephew Ben, and we went to Desert Botanical Garden. It was a really cool experience, like different species of cactus, different species of wild flowers, and of course I see lots of butterflies, which I like. And I could say can I just stay here for a day and just be surrounded with them?
Her and Ben spent over an hour in the butterfly house. Ben is a
Like
horticulturist.
Permaculture.
Yeah, he does.
Permaculture,
He
like-
likes to do the permaculture stuff,
Yeah.
and his background is golf course maintenance,
Mhm.
golf course management,
Yeah.
and so the landscaping is something that he does and he really enjoys, and going to the Desert Botanical Garden, seeing all the permaculture that they've got, all the xeriscaping and that. This was something he was truly fascinated with, and we were there for like 4 hours, 5 hours,
Yeah. It was a long
and
walk.
didn't even get a quarter of the way through it. That he was super impressed with it. Like I say, we spent almost an hour in that butterfly. That they've got I don't know how you'd want to describe it. They've got a butterfly habitat.
Yeah, and they have like a nursery where, like the eggs, like you can see.
Yeah,
I have pictures in those. We will
yeah,
put
you'll
in the
definitely have
link
to check out Wednesday's slideshow. That
yeah.
didn't get as much great video as I'd like, but I did get a bunch of pictures, and she
Yeah.
got a ton of pictures. Weekends and Wednesdays this week is probably going to be more slideshow than anything else.
Yeah. Yeah. So
And it's some gorgeous. It's really cool. Ben's actually looking forward to the next time he gets back in town to going to the Desert Botanical Garden and see even more of what they had.
yeah. So yeah, it was a really cool experience, and I guess that's it. Do we still need to, do we did any, oh, after that we went to have lunch and
We that afterwards everybody was kind of hungry, and Ben needed to hang out a few more minutes. He was actually picking up my sister that was flying in from out of town to the airport.
Yeah.
That's why he wound up staying. That he had an issue with work, and he had the opportunity to stay. And my sister actually needed somebody to house sit for a week while she was gone, so he volunteered to stay and house sit.
It was a good opportunity then.
Oh,
So yeah.
And he really enjoyed it. But afterwards, everybody was kind of hungry, so we went to Honey Bear's Barbecue here in Phoenix. And it's been here almost 40 years.
Yeah.
That it was here when I first got here, and had been around quite a long time at that point. But it's some outstanding barbecue.
Yeah.
and everybody really enjoyed that. But
Yeah, it was really cool.
and then we came home and pretty much died, passed out
Sleep.
Saturday, the rest of
So-
Saturday, and most of today.
Yeah,
So-
so yeah, and that's it. That's
And
our.
it's being a lot of fun. That you'll have to bear with us, and I truly appreciate everybody that has. We are trying to get used to doing a lot more videoing of this type of stuff and how to do it and get it up a lot better.
Yeah, and then we're sharing your culture. We're still in the process of learning. It's not we're not on the expert level, but we're starting from,
We're starting from scratch,
From
and
scratch.
it's being interesting.
and it's exciting.
But it's giving us something to do.
And it's like perspective, and yeah, hope you like and enjoy our video.
And I think somebody wants to make sure this ends pretty quick today. So
Yes, thank you so much. Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.